In this video, I will show you how to link your Steam account to your different Rockstar account. Go to the support.rockstargames.com, log into your Rockstar account, click on Account Support, select Rockstar Games account, click Account Linking, enter your Steam ID. In the description, write I would like to link my Steam account to my Rockstar Social Club account. Upload a file if needed. Click Submit Web Ticket. Rockstar Support usually responds within 24 hours. Make sure your Steam account isn't linked to another Rockstar account. That's it. Now you know the process of linking your Steam account to your different Rockstar account. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.